Campaign creation in telecom has traditionally been a manual, configuration-heavy process, defining segments, offers, channels, schedules, and control groups step by step. It works, but it demands time, expertise, and operational effort at scale. With advances in AI and natural language processing, this model is changing. Introducing AI-driven campaign automation in mViva, where marketers express intent in natural language, and the platform builds the campaign for them. With mViva, designing and launching contextual campaigns becomes significantly simpler. All you need to do is use the Quick Create feature, enter your campaign prompt, and click Next. Behind the scenes, what mViva does is take this input, identify the right target segment, configure the necessary integrations across different channels, and leave the decisioning on offers and rewards to the mViva decisioning models. If required, marketers can review and edit these decisions. Once updated, the segment refreshes automatically, allowing you to review the campaign options. mViva has already gone through the required steps, filling in key parameters such as lifecycle stage, objectives, segments, offer type, control group logic, scheduling, and related configurations. At this stage, the campaign is ready to go. However, if needed, you can further refine the campaign using contextual interventions, for example, defining A/B testing with 3 test groups of 100 subscribers each. mViva understands these inputs and incorporates them seamlessly into the campaign. You can then proceed to launch, and the campaign is immediately live. The result is faster execution, fewer errors, and significantly reduced operational effort while retaining full review and approval control. This is Level 4 campaign automation, powered by AI and built for telecom scale operations. mViva, the revenue acceleration platform, delivering intent to execution at telecom scale.